Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language, the top War Battle Game application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and click to the settings button at the lower left corner of the page. Here you can find the language option under the contact use button, and here you can select another language, and just select one and click to the square icon and tap to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.